always in the mood. Yeah, I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah, I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah, also known as Sarahtheluxe. We're going to share my amazing journey with you, life experience and tips and tricks with you on this channel. For those who don't know me, I'm a mom of three, a digital marketing professional, and someone who is passionate about balancing your life as a mompreneur. My YouTube channel is not only to share my journey with you, it's also to give you an insight about your own journey too. So we're going to go straight into the video. We're gonna clean. If you like motivation and organizing stuff, just let's get into the video.
Darling, if you touch me one more time, I might lose
So as you can see here, I just start my day by waking up and opening up all the windows to just kind of get that fresh air and to eliminate the bad odors. I really like when there's some fresh air into the house. So we're gonna go start with the kitchen because if you're a mom like me, you know that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and keeping it clean makes such a difference in how the entire house feels. But I get it, life get messy sometimes. I'm a mom of three, so trust me, I know how fast things can pile up.
darling, darling.
I always try to keep things manageable for me with quick clean every day. I don't always wait for things to be a lot to start doing it because it is going to be too much for me as I have a lot of kids and I'm kind of busy with my school with a lot of stuff at the same time. So I do stuff by I'm always on the go anyway. I always do stuff.
You got my affection.
And even for the bathroom, when I do the bathroom, I don't wait for it to be dirty to do it. I always do it while I'm showering. So I'm on shower and I do that. It doesn't feel like it's too much work. I can stay organized and cozy all the time. If you watch close, you're gonna see that I'm singing while I'm doing my cleaning because that's what I like to do, so that I'm not gonna get bored and feel unmotivated. So when I do that, I put a loud music on the TV and doing my cleaning. I'm so comfortable.
Wangu sheri, tumetoka.
So the sink is one of my favorite parts. Although I hate it when it's dirty, but when it comes to cleaning up, I really like to clean up the sink because it just feels satisfying to me. Mostly when you finish and you do that, how it is satisfying like this, I like it. And after that, I'm pretty sure the kitchen is now clean because I always clean it at the end. So when I clean it, that means I finish to clean my kitchen, and the rest is just to put stuff back where it was at. I always make sure I take everything off the counter. I don't know if you call it the counter or the shelf. Let me know in the comment, whatever it's called. I like when it's empty. I hate when there is dishes all over the place. I make sure it's empty and clean like this. I like it. It feels so clean to me. That's just me because I hate traffic. Even in the kitchen, traffic in the road. I hate traffic everywhere.
Vi que tu mirada y estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que yo voy. Oh.
Some people can find cleaning too much, but for me it's not. I don't take it like a chore or something like that, something hard. I just take it like a skincare routine, because you need to take care of your body, you need to take care of yourself. The same way you need to take care of you, that the way you need to take care of your home. That's why I always like my home to be clean and organized all the time. I know I got kids, it's not easy to always keep up your house clean, organized, but they put some mess, and after them I always make sure I sleep with my house clean. And I used to do that. I got 3 kids, and it's not something easy, but it is sacrifice. And the house being clean for me is like a signature. I want my house to be clean so that I can live in it in peace, because if my home is not clean, I can't even relax. I spend most of my time at home, so I need to make sure that the place where I spend most of my time needs to be clean. As you can see, my house is almost empty because I just moved in. I need to buy more stuff. That will be for the next video. I'll be showing how to decorate, because I like decoration. I like luxury stuff. I like beautiful stuff in the house. That's what we're gonna be doing. Being that this is my first video, I didn't wanna do all that stuff, but I've already ordered. I ordered some item for the house, some decoration parts for the house that I'll be sharing with you on the budget.
Oui, m'rete la main pour observer un bon moment. Avec quand même jodi a forme danser.
Laberinto, y ese de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Sube, sube. Que no ve parar tu pelo, que no siento ritmo.
Okay, now that the kitchen is done, we're gonna move to the living room. This is another space where it gets so chaotic fast, but even a quick touch-up can make it feel so much better and clean. And one thing I've learned as a mom is that a clean space helps me focus on my goals. Whether it's budgeting, working on my small business, or help others start their business, it just makes it easier to think clearly and stay productive. I know so many of you who wanted to start maybe a business or a YouTube channel or just anything, but the debt holding you back. I just want to tell you that start, because it wasn't easy for me as a shy person, as a person who doesn't even like camera like that, to start a YouTube channel. But this is 2025. I've decided to start everything I had procrastinated for a long time. I decided to start it, whether or not I'm ready. I wasn't ready. I can't really talk English, but I start anyway. So if you have a hard time to understand what I'm saying, I got you. There is subtitle over there. You can just read. And we're getting better every day. Nothing can hold us back. So if you think that you want to start something, don't even think. Just start it. Don't say I'm not ready or not. No, I wasn't ready neither. I don't have everything to start with, but I start anyway, because if you don't start, you're not gonna know. So yeah, this is the food I bought for my kids earlier, and I forget to clean the oven. That's what I do today. You see, and that's pretty much it. I'm done, and the house is clean and simple. Thank you. If you like the video, comment, share, subscribe, like. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're not gonna miss the next video. Being though this is my first one, I want you to come back in my next one to see how I'm improving. This is my dog. He say hi to you guys. And thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.